Namaste.
Namaste, everybody. Welcome to
our Back to Nature Kirtan this Sunday afternoon. We're at Lake Samsonvale. It's just stunning.
It's beautiful here, isn't it?
The air is fresh and it's just nice to get outdoors sometimes.
Yeah, you immediately feel this energy go like...
Feel your mind just ground down. We've been doing just a few light stretches, and we've been...
Some japa session, meditation on beads.
Getting connected to the earth. We're getting our hippie on this morning actually. We're kid free, so we're living life to the max. So we're going to take you through a really sweet melody today. We did it at our Sandgate program last night. It was just beautiful. I mean, it was just amazing, wasn't it? Still like buzzing from that evening. So we're reminiscing and continuing on to living in that moment with giving this tune to you.
Yeah, it's a bit windy, so you might have to
speak up. And I'm debuting, I think, my
ukulele on camera.
On 10-minute kirtan. Still learning. As always, we'll start by just taking a moment to offer our respects and gratitude to our wonderful spiritual teacher who has given us this gift of mantra meditation, and we don't know what we would do without it. Jaya Jaya Gurudev, Jaya Jaya Gurudev,
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 Chaitanya, Nityananda, GauraHari,
Chaitanya, Nityananda, Nityananda, GauraHari,
Chaitanya, Nityananda, GauraHari,
Chaitanya, Nityananda, GauraHari, Nityananda, GauraHari.
Haribol, NitaiGaur, NitaiGaur, Haribol. Haribol, NitaiGaur, NitaiGaur, Haribol.
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 Haribol, NitaiGaur, 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 Haribol. Haribol, NitaiGaur, NitaiGaur, Haribol.
Chaitanya, Nityananda, GauraHari.
Chaitanya, Nityananda, GauraHari. Nityananda, GauraHari.
Chaitanya, Nityananda, GauraHari.
Chaitanya, Nityananda, GauraHari. Chaitanya, Nityananda, GauraHari.
Haribol, NitaiGaur, NitaiGaur, Haribol. Haribol, NitaiGaur, NitaiGaur,
Haribol, NitaiGaur, NitaiGaur. Haribol, NitaiGaur, NitaiGaur, Haribol.
Haribol, NitaiGaur, NitaiGaur, Haribol. Haribol, NitaiGaur, NitaiGaur, Haribol. Haribol, NitaiGaur, NitaiGaur, Haribol. Haribol, NitaiGaur, NitaiGaur, Haribol. Haribol, NitaiGaur, NitaiGaur, Haribol.
Haribol, NitaiGaur, NitaiGaur, Haribol. Haribol, NitaiGaur, NitaiGaur, Haribol.
Chaitanya, Nityananda, GauraHari.
Chaitanya, Nityananda, GauraHari.
Chaitanya, Nityananda, GauraHari.
Chaitanya, Nityananda, GauraHari.
Jaya, Jaya Gurudev. Jaya, Jaya Gurudev.
Jaya Jaya Gurudev. Jaya Jaya Gurudev.
Jaya, Jaya Gurudev. Jaya, Jaya Gurudev.
Jaya Jaya Gurudev. Jaya Jaya Gurudev.
Time for a nap, what do you reckon? So relaxing. So we hope you're well, and if you're around this afternoon and looking for something really nice to do
Yeah, we need to go there
yeah.
to our West End. If you're watching it in Brisbane, we have a program. Prahlad and the Chants, they're coming at 5 o'clock Sunday today. So yeah, we will see you there. Or watch live stream on our Facebook page.
So take care, have a beautiful Sunday, and
Haribol.
see you soon. Namaste.